What's up, YouTube? So I just got down here to go fishing. Was gonna go directly under the Markland Dam, but I didn't get the chance to. They got some construction going on over there till the end of the month. Now, you might be wondering why I'm walking away from the water. I gotta go grab my cooler with bait and my drinks in it, and my catfish tackle box. But this will give you all a look at how many stairs they are, how steep, all of that. We're not far from the dam, but still would much rather be right up under the dam. But you all know the song, you can't always get what you want. There's my catfish tackle box, my cooler. So guys, you all can see, let me fix it here, that water is pretty rough today. They're letting a bunch of the water out of the dam. So it really wouldn't be a good day to get right up under the dam anyways, with the current and all of that, but not going to spend too much time recording, just walking up and down the stairs. This was my last trip, but I'm about to pause it, and then I will see you guys when I go to cast the first pole out. Alrighty, so we got some little shad, I'm pretty sure that's what it was, that I had bought from the store, frozen to fish with. So we're gonna cast it out, give it a try. Well, what just happened there? Okay. Well, why isn't it not casting? Okay. I want to reel that back in because that was not the cast I wanted. Oh, there's that one. And if you all keep hearing a rattling noise, I apologize. That would be the necklace I got on. But it's alright. Which we may end up leaving from here and heading over to the other spot I like going to, because this current seems pretty rough right now. But regardless, we will be having some fishing content on here. Woo! I almost hooked myself there. So yeah, we're gonna pause. Well, hold on. This pole keeps getting hit with by something. I don't know if it's this current or if it's a fish. Okay, yeah, it's the current. So yeah, we're probably gonna move somewhere else. Cause I keep getting hung up over here because of this current. It's moving me all over the place. Well, not me, but my poles. Well, okay then. Gotta get this untangled first now. Don't look too badly tangled though. Nope, it wasn't. I don't really think there's nothing on here I can use. but I'm gonna throw it in my tackle box. But for right now, we're gonna move to this other spot because, like I said, it's being very difficult to fish right here. So we're gonna go ahead and run over to the other fishing spot, and then you all will have some more fishing content. See you all in a minute. Alrighty, y'all, we are back at the other place. Once again, got loaded up with some of the shad I bought at our local gas station. Hopefully this current's not too bad, but oh, a perfect hole right there. Let's just hope I can get it back out of the hole if I need to. I'm gonna try to do a few small casts first. I've never fished on this side, so I don't really know what all to expect. My uncle had told me that the catfish like this side better than the other dock. So, trying it over here this time. My apologies, I need to fix my camera. I don't want this to turn out like the last video I done with my chest mount. There's some turtles bathing out there. So we've been out fishing since about 11. It is now 1 o'clock. So I'm not sure how much longer we're going to spend. If I'm not getting no bites or nothing, I'm fine with turning it all in kind of early. But if I start catching something, I'm not going to want to leave. Which I think I just had a hit right there. And I don't know if it's this light current that's right here or what it is, but something keeps bouncing my river pole line. I didn't mean for that one to be so direct, but Which is hard for me to see this green line with this muddy water. Not this light green one on this pole, but the dark green on my river pole. Okay, so that was a hit I had just a minute ago. The fish are way more active over here than they were over at the dam too. I've seen 4 or 5 jump out of the water here. Not big ones, but still, fish jumping out of the water is always a good sign. I don't know if there's something on that one or if it's the current. Nope, it's the current. I'm gonna roll it back in and make sure the current didn't snatch my bait off. Nope, my bait's still on there. Don't tell me I just got snagged. Yep. Are you serious? That's just stupid. Wait, I think I'm getting it unsnagged. Yes, I got it unsnagged. Thank the Lord on that one. Where's my... Nope, there it is. So we're going to pause it for a few minutes, at least until we get something to bite. Or if I'm not getting nothing to bite, then I'll just unpause it for a few more minutes and then get ready to head out. I think we got a fish on. May not have been, but my pole was bouncing a lot. Come on. Literally playing the guitar right now. The bad thing is I don't have no more sinkers that I need for the river. Which I knew it was a matter of time before I did get fully snagged over there. Because you could see all the sticks and the limbs and all of that over there, but and this is 20-pound braid, so it's not going to break that easy. I'm going to have to cut it. I hope it gives in. And just comes back this way. Which, I'm going to try to take a trip up to Walmart this upcoming weekend. I'm gonna put a lot of slack in it. Hopefully this current can pull it out, or a biz. And I won't have to cut it. But that being that way, the other half, this fish, I'll just throw in here and let some of the fishes eat on it. Throw it about right there and start casting. Oh, my pole may have came unsnagged now. There's not as much slack in it. No. So I'm just gonna cut the line. There really wasn't nothing else I could do there, so unfortunately, just gonna cast out with this one a few more times, and then I'm probably gonna go ahead and leave, because like I said, I don't have a way to just run right around the corner and go grab some of the hooks and sinkers and all that I use. I mean, I've got hooks, but I just don't have the sinkers I need for right here. No, in my luck, I'll probably get this snagged right here too. But, who knows? Might not. Might get it snagged on a fish. I'll try to cast out over here a couple times and then call it good. Oh crap. I hate doing that. Oh gosh, that's right around where my river pole got snagged. That was a fish or something right there. There was a small fish that jumped over here, and you know what they say. Wherever there's a small fish jumping, there's a big fish hunting.